So hi guys, welcome back again. Crypto Financial Freedom. This is DK. In this video friends, I would like to tell you regarding VD Land. This was one of the best projects friend for Metaverse as well as NFT and a lot of things they are doing friends. If you have missed the opportunity to buy the land online in Metaverse, you missed the huge opportunity because it could be 100x or even 1000x in upcoming 2022 to 2023. So no matter friend, in this video I would tell you how you have to claim your character. I already claimed to land, but here in this video I would tell you how to claim. So simply just connect your MetaMask wallet here, and then you need to process this one. This is the land structure. So I got actually 3 land I booked friend. So simply what I got some cropland. This is good one actually. This is uncommon, sorry, this is common, but I can grow wheat, corn and sugarcane here. Okay, so level all these one, and soon I would be able to sell as well as I can do the crop. Okay, I can grow the crop. And next one, I am having 2 land, that is the dry land, but I can also use the dry land as a growing cotton, silk and rice. Okay, and I can also give this one for the lease as well as for rent purpose for agriculture. Okay, so character also I claimed one. There is one character, and this one is the character which is having cook actually 21 and having the luck level 97. So this is also looking I think common, but let's again claim the another one, live friends. So click over here, connect, and you must own some of the VD land because VD was a good token and it's dumped also a little bit. Okay, this is the reason it is going to be down. But if we talk regarding all-time high, the all-time high was 0.33 before 24 days back when it was pumping much more, and it was the lowest. And I am having a lot of opportunity here friend, because in coming days and coming months and even 1 and 2 year the price could go parabolic because of mainstream of Metaverse. So let's here in this Twitter, just follow here. They are having 126,000 Twitter follower, so you can claim. This is the announcement before 5 hours back, and a lot of new information are on board. So simply click over here, whatever the token you hold or whatever the character you hold or land you hold, just down here, put down here and click on unbox. So click over there, you would have a pop-up of MetaMask. Just confirm the transaction, and you would have such kind of the screen. It is on process, and after some time it would be successful, and then you would able to see what the character you get. So simply I got this one, 12,098 name character. So I would like to see the inventory. Go to inventory. After going there, I again got a cook. So click over here, but this is uncommon, so this is good one. This is uncommon, having the luck percentage of 79 and hash power is 40. Okay, so it's good one. Hash power is 40. Let me check this, the hash power of 21. The hash power is 21. Okay, so whatever they are presenting there, that is the hash power, and this is the luck. So this would also come for while, just like what is cook job. Cook possesses skillful hands able to create all kinds of the delicious dishes. Cook believes that culinary is the element that unites all races. So I got both of the cook actually, and I ordered 3 lands. At the last moment I booked actually 2 plots, so I think I got this one, but this was the initial 505. I got dry land, and after that I got this one 5070, and instantly I did the different transaction and I booked 3 plots. and these are the agriculture plot. I can give the rent as well as in lease, or myself I can grow the vegetables for the future. Okay guys, so in the next video would show you and what is the importance of these lands. I can sell, but I would not sell these plots since 2024 to 2025 because I can see there is a huge use cases of this project, because a good team is behind it, and they are also launching their game very soon, and marketplace is going to be launched very soon. Early bird sale already closed, and I'm very happy to being the part of this one, because the total treasure was here 8,000, and I am the part of the global that I booked my 3 land here, and my 3 land plot size 8 good one, so I could be very lucky for some upcoming some years actually. Just like in Mana, the people who booked the plot in 2017-18, they just jumped to 100x within 2 years. So it is definitely possible because the market cap is very low. If we talk regarding the market cap is very low here, and this is the quite new project, even not showing the ranking. Okay, because of the trading volume is very low, 47,000 only, and market cap is also not going to display here, but I think this could pump very soon when they list somewhere. Let's check the market, whatever the market they are exists right now in PancakeSwap only. So there could be the new news again, and they could pump again the price when they launch their game as well as marketplace, from where you would be able to sell your land and character, whatever the things. Okay guys, so this was the video, and also again another video, another thing, I was navigating the SIBA token. There was BitSIBA. It is having a good hype because just having good pump over that, and it pumped to 36% around, and now it is just 12% plus. So there could be a very good opportunity, so you can grab the chance this one, and it could easily go to 5x to 50x. 5x it could go within Jan, according to my analysis and prediction, and in 2020 bull run till April it could easily go 10 to 20x. I think, not any financial advice, but you must go through this one. Also another I am going to tell you, that is hacks as well as free token. Okay guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I was much more busy because of my house renovation is going on and a lot of things, so I'm very busy. So just follow me on Twitter as well as Telegram, and also sometime I create video, not regularly but weekly mode. Okay guys, thank you guys, see you in the next video, and happy Christmas to all of you guys. Merry Christmas.